Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on the DXY. We have pound USD and gold. Quickly, just a continuation from previous week. Let's start with the DXY. So we've seen DXY breaking bounds and probably trading above 105 regions, between 105 and 106 right now. My anticipation is the price might come back to retest 107 this coming week or next 2 weeks, depending on the price movement. So if I go back on the 4 hours time frame, we'll see maybe like a retest of this region. If at market open, we have a small, like a little kind of resistance here. Okay, so if price opens up and we have a break of price above that region, retest here, something like that. Once we break these regions of 106.50, we should be anticipating price to head on to 107. But if for any reason we see price break back below this region here, let's say price comes back to break 105.50, then we'll anticipate price to come retest 105 and then head back up. Okay, so this is basically my anticipation here for the DXY. If we slide over here on the 1 hour time frame, you understand why I said this might be a region. So I'm waiting for it to break. If it breaks here, then we should see a retest, and then retest 106.45, a break of it, and so on, continue to the upside. So if price is going to continue to the upside, I'm just very bullish on the DXY. So if price is bullish here, if I go over to the pound USD here, you could see price has retested a very critical region here, which is the 1.25 psychological level. All right, this calls for sales. Okay, if you look at this now, additional confluence is if we pull up our Fibonacci retracement tool from this part where price started pulling down to these regions of the previous low. We could see prices at 50% retracement region, between 50 and 61.8 retracement region. So it's safe to go in for sales around this region, except if price might just want to linger into 125.70 regions before pulling down. So that being said, it means that I'm anticipating a price to just continue from these regions at market open, maybe just create some kind of double top here or something, and then we could go down, we could continue to the downside. So by that direction, I'm anticipating something like this, and then price to at least come back all the way to 122.75. That's a whole lot of pips, right? So basically that's it. Or we could see price just want to pull back into these regions of 125.75 maximum, and we should see price also continue to the downside. Alternatively, if there's enough volatility, if price ends up breaking this region for whatsoever reason, then we should also continue the sales to the downside as well. Okay, so basically that's that. Let me put on the 8 hours time frame so it looks a little bit cleaner. So basically this is what I'm anticipating for pound USD. Sales basically. If price wants to do any other manipulation, it should just manipulate around this region. It shouldn't go above 1.2575. If it goes above that, then we'll probably go into like an uptrend. But for now, we just saw signs of downtrend, created a new low. This is a pullback, so we should be looking for entries to sell. Okay, that's that for pound USD. If we go over here on gold, we should be able to see that gold have always been on the uptrend, and then it looks like we're retesting this region. Two things: if market opens, we should be looking for price to continue to these regions, possibly break and continue basically. All right, but I noticed that DXY and gold usually are counter trends. Like if gold is going up, DXY should be going down, and I just anticipated that DXY might possibly be going up. So it looks like there's a potential for gold to start retesting these regions. So a break retest, we might retest these regions, and so on for the week. So we might see gold continue dropping. If we slide down to the 2 hours time frame here, we've seen price really more like reject, create more like some kind of areas around here. Okay, so we might be like retesting it. So let me put this back up. If price breaks back up above this region, then we might just continue to the the buys. Otherwise, we might just be looking for price to break by below here, get a retest. We'll sell all the way to 22.65, all the way from 23, and so on and so forth. So basically, that's what I'll be looking at for gold. A break of price below 23.00, we should be looking for sales. A break of price above 23.50, 23.51, we should be looking for price to buy up to 24.00 or even above. Okay, that's that for the week. Let's see if we're going to back some pips this week. Make sure you do back some pips. I'll see you guys during the weekend for weekly recap, and ciao.